travel far, armed with 7 nations, was harmed in many places, but still had not found a promised land. But tall the walls of Jericho stand, with an angry king in the middle. But instead of drawing her weapon, she played trumpets and fiddles. It's time for these walls to come down. It's time for these walls to come down. See, they will crumble at the sound of you calling me baby, baby. For 7 days and not a shot was fired, but this new music being played reached the lonely man in the tower. And at first he tried to fight it, but he could not turn away. His sudden building new desire to go reopen the gate. Oh, it's time for these walls to come down. It's time for these walls to come down. They will crumble at the sound of you calling me baby, baby, please, yeah. Coffee and muffins warm with honey, and music with such beauty on the day that she met me. Oh, could it be we found the promised land? Oh, could it be that I could be your man? Oh, could it be we found the promised land? Could it be that I could be your man? Oh, it's time for these walls to come down. Oh, it's time for these walls to come down. See, they will crumble at the sound of you calling me baby, baby. Oh, it's time for these walls to come down. Oh, it's time for these walls to come down. Oh, let them crumble at the sound of you calling me baby, of you calling me baby, of you calling me baby, baby, please. Well, I wanna lie on the sofa with you, wearing sweatpants and drinking red wine. Kick our feet, watch TV, eat Chinese, fall asleep with your fingers lacing with mine. We'll just take a load out, baby. Let's just breathe. Not your job, not your boss, not the guys that they taught. We'll shadow them all and just leave them on the ground. And then come a little closer. Let's just
Has anyone told you you're a beautiful flower just waiting to bloom? If you hop in the car and leave the doubt on the curb, we'll find a beautiful view. There ain't no monsters left in the dark, ain't no excuses left in the room. If this is where the future can start, then I'm glad I'm here next to you. If you move with your soul and you forget what you're told, then you can win the world. If you dance in the rain and become friends with your pain, then you can win the world. Oh, we can win the world. Oh, we can win the world. Has anyone stolen what your eyes have been holding somewhere in your heart? Do the plans that you're making feel like you're compromising everything that you want? There ain't no monsters left in the dark, ain't no excuses left in the room. If this is where the future can start, then I'm glad I'm here next to you. If you move with your soul and you forget what you're told,